Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. The markets are a disaster out there, so let's have something positive today. I just wanted to share, I was following Shakepay on Twitter. They actually announced today they have a SecretSats happening today. So if you have Shakepay, you know, if you've signed up through a referral link, I will leave mine down below. If you are new to Shakepay, you can always check that out. But Shakepay has that feature where you can shake your phone every day and you get free sats, and they will compound up as long as you keep shaking and don't miss your streak. They actually have another feature today. If you shake it once, you'll get your regular reward. If you shake it again, another screen will pop up and there's some secret sats you can get. What you have to do is you have to follow Shakepay on Twitter, so you will need a Twitter account. I think a lot of people do have that though. Sign up for Twitter, follow Shakepay, come back to the app, and you'll get a free secret sats. So just a short video today. I want to share it with everybody, a little positive note on a otherwise red day. If you have Shakepay, let me know down in the comments below. If you've got your secret sats, make sure you hit thumbs up on the video, then I'll know how many people got their extra sats. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.